See you later. Tell me what it's like in there, okay? Okay, you guys, I'm gonna re-watch the footage, and then I'm gonna post the video. See ya.